What's going on? I've got some good news and some bad news. I hope you enjoyed that walk around, because I'm pretty sure I'm going to put that before this clip, because I know if I put my face first, people are probably going to click off and they're going to miss how good the coupe came out. I think last you saw it, it was on the ground, but I still had more stuff to do to it. I just wanted to see it on the ground. But my God, after I finished kind of tightening everything up and giving it its first wipe down, I was amazed how good the paint looked compared to what it looked like. Because if you remember, if you've been following along and you have been watching since, when did I get the car? Like March. I never even washed it or wiped it down when I got it. I just pulled it straight into the garage and kind of got to work on pulling the motor and fixing stuff up. So the first time I wiped it down, I was like jaw dropped how good it looked. With that comes the bad news. It is gone. I did sell it pretty much right after I finished it and took it for its little maiden voyage. I had a good offer on it. And yeah, I just, with like all the health stuff that was going on, you guys know, if you've watched any of my last probably 7 videos, I've been dealing with health issues, and it was honestly just gonna sit in my garage. It went to a good home. The guy was super stoked, super happy when he bought it, which is how I like to sell cars. So yeah, it was super hard. It was probably the hardest car for me to sell because I had put so much work into it. But the fact that I know it was going to a good home makes me feel less sad about it. As far as my health goes, I am, like I said, I have setbacks every now and then, but I am getting stronger for sure, figuring stuff out. I've been to the doctor again, still taking potassium supplements, but they think it may be like sleep deprivation or things along that line, which just is screwing me up pretty bad. But slowly but surely getting better. I can just work towards it. That's all I can do. So yeah, coupe had to go. I wasn't gonna use it, and I could have kept it, but I didn't want that money just sitting there. And the second piece of bad news, the Tacoma is also gone. I sold that. Not really the same reasoning. I liked the Tacoma and it was super reliable. It was like my high school dream build, if that makes sense. A buddy of mine his parents were fairly well off. He had like a super clean one, same year and everything in high school. And I was like, damn, I really want that truck. And this is the first time I got a facelifted first gen Tacoma. So wanted to get that knocked out, did it, was happy with it. But I came to the realization that I've kind of been like settling for builds and not doing like my real dream builds. Like, yes, I've been doing builds that I've wanted to do, but it's kind of just making it take more time and more money to get to my end goal, my end dream builds. So this channel is probably going to die for about a year, unfortunately. I might have an upload here or there, but I doubt it. But I would encourage you to at least stay subscribed because I will be saving up for my real dream builds in the meantime. I said this a while ago, probably over a year ago, but my goal is to have an F355 GTB. If you don't know, shut up! They're snarling like they're big dogs. Look at how small they are. Which is a Ferrari, mid to late 90s Ferrari. It's the best looking one, in my opinion, gated manual. They're sick, and I want to get one before they skyrocket in value. Due to the engine out service that's required, they're above where their low point was. They were pretty low. They're starting to creep back up. They haven't crested the $100,000 mark. From what I've seen, they're kind of like 80s, 90s right now. So that's my dream car build. So, and my goal is to do that by 30. I just turned 28, so there's that. And then my dream like off-road kind of build is the Mercedes G-Wagon, the G500 or the G550. So I will probably be doing that first because those are about half the price of the F355s. So yeah, so the channel's gonna die probably for about a year just because I'm not really gonna be doing anything. Just gonna be saving my money, putting it away, seeing if I have the discipline to do it, because I kind of just move car to car if you've paid attention to my channel. I'm kind of done doing that. I've burnt myself out on doing that. I'm going after my dream builds, the pinnacle of what I see cars and off-road vehicles being, the F355 and the G-Wagon. So those will be coming to the channel as long as I'm not dead. So if I'm not dead, you should see in probably a year's time this channel reborn with my real dream builds. So yeah, I just wanted to get that out of the way before I disappear. No, I'm not dead, hopefully. If there's like a big change in my health or kind of what's going on in my life or the change of plans, I'll make an update video. But from here on out, that's what I'll be doing, just saving for my real dream builds. And this has never been a vlog channel, so I'm probably not gonna start doing that just because it's not my style. And I live a pretty boring fucking life anyways. I don't really like doing anything unless it's car related or gun related. So not much really for me to do. I'm working, taking a break from work right now. So yeah, look forward to that. Yeah, it's gonna be a while, but hey, it takes time to build money, so yeah. Yeah, we knocked those builds out pretty fast. I hope you enjoyed it. Sorry we didn't really get to test them out, but take my word for it, they were sick. The S13 ran so fucking good. Oh man. There was some little things here and there. I blew the cap off of the intercooler piping because I capped off where the blow-off valve pipe was supposed to be routed, and it happened on the dude's test drive that was gonna buy it. And I got super worried because I couldn't see what had happened and we didn't know why it was running so rough, and then I saw that the cap had blown off. So once we put it back on, it ran good. He came back with a trailer and swooped it up. First person that saw it bought it. So yeah, I'm going to end the video here. Hope you guys are doing well. Stay healthy. Hope your family's doing well. Yeah, if I don't see you guys in the near future, yeah, I'll see you in the next one a year from now.